Hi everyone, welcome my dear 7th class students to your English 1 language class of this part 2 of your chapter 5 articles A, an and the. Okay, in the part 1, in the previous video I have taught you and you might have learnt about the articles A and an, and today in this video we will learn the article the. Okay, how the is used in your daily languages and how should we use it. Okay, we will learn about the article the. So as I told you, the is known as a definite article, isn't it? So use of the. The can be used with all kinds of nouns. Here are some uses of the. First, we use the before nouns which refer to persons, events and things already mentioned. When already it is mentioned, then we use the word the. When the nouns are repeated. For the first time we use articles a and an, isn't it? But when the same same nouns, when it is repeated, we use the. For an example, you see, once there lived a king and a queen. So king and queen we are using first time. So we use the article a here, isn't it? Next, when the same nouns king and queen are repeated, then we use the, because we are indicating to this particular king and queen. So we use the. The queen gave birth to a baby girl. We are now this first time we are using baby girl, so we used a. The queen called the baby girl. Now again the baby girl is used in the next sentence. It is repeated, so we use the baby girl. Snow White. When Snow White was very young, the queen died. The king married again. So when the nouns are repeated, my dear, we have to use the. In the passage above, article a is used with the noun king, queen, baby, girl, because these nouns are mentioned for the first time. But when the nouns occur again, the article the has been used. This is because these nouns now refer to persons already mentioned. Here are some more examples we'll see. First number, mother bought a book and a pen from the market. Okay, that means from the market, mother brought a book, a pen. The book. Again, when this the is used before the book, it is indicated to the particular book which mother has brought from the market. The book was for Akhil and the pen for Sikha. Next number B. A strange man stood in front of a tall building. After some time, the man went into the tall building and disappeared. Okay. Now number 2 rule, we use the when the person or thing referred to is quite obvious. Please switch on the fan. When we say to a particular specific thing or noun, so we use the. Mother has gone to the market to buy vegetables. Did you return the book to the library? In these examples, the speaker and the listener know which fan, market or book they are talking about. So the is used before them. Okay. So the when the person or thing referred to is quite obvious. When the speaker as well as the listener know to the particular noun, when both will be knowing to the particular noun, it is used the. Okay. Now see here examples, some more examples. Here are some more examples. The library was closed today. The principal made a speech. The post office remains open from 9 am to 5 pm. Have you spent all the money? Now number 3rd rule, we use the with a noun which is only one of its kind. There is no substitute of it. Okay? No substitute of it, you will find only one specific thing. So you can see the sun, the North Pole. Okay, is there any other sun? No, isn't it? So we have the sun, the North Pole, the South Pole, you can say. Now 4th number, we also use the with the superlative degree of adjectives. As we know adjectives, the three adjectives, for 3 forms of adjectives, positive, comparative and superlative. So in the superlative degree, we use the word the. Which is the tallest building in the world? Okay, we have no comparisons of adjectives, isn't it? So in the superlative degree, tallest, tall, taller, tallest. So tallest is the superlative degree. Before superlative degree, we use the article. Gold is the most precious of metals. She is the most brilliant girl in the school. Number 5th rule, we use the before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, valleys, mountain ranges, groups of islands, gulfs, canals, deserts, winds. The Narmada, the Pacific Ocean, the Indus Valley. the Himalayas, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, the Persian Gulf, the Suez Canal, the Thar Desert, the Sahara, the monsoon. The monsoon is wind, isn't it? So when we are using seas name, rivers name, oceans name, valleys, mountain ranges, islands, gulfs, deserts, winds, we have to use the before it. Next, sixth rule. We use the before singular common nouns and adjectives of quality to denote the whole class. The elephant is the largest land animal. When we are indicating to all the animals and the elephant is the largest one, so we are indicating one singular common noun. Elephant is a common noun. So singular common noun, we use the to indicate what? The quality of the animal. So we say the elephant is the largest land animal. This is a school for the blind, the deaf and the dumb. Okay. Here we are using what? The blind, the deaf and the dumb here. To the whole group of the blind, the children, isn't it? School, we are indicating to the school. Now number 7th rule. We use the before the names of directions when there is a preposition before them. Okay, we use the before the names of directions. Nepal is in the north of India. North is a direction, isn't it? When we are using the direction, we are using the. Nepal is the north of India. Please keep to the left. Left is also what? A direction, isn't it? Left side you go, right side we go, say no. So please keep to the left. Number 8th rule. We use the before the names of great books of religion and literature. So the Ramayana is a holy book, isn't it? A religious book. The Bible is also a religious book. The Quran is also a religious book. The Guru Granth Sahib is also religious books. So within all these religious books and literature, we use the article the here before all these religious books. Number 9th rule. We use the before the names of hotels, cinemas, theaters, shops, museums, stadiums, airports, banks when they do not begin with a proper name. Suppose the Taj Palace, okay? When they do not begin with a proper name, see the Taj Palace, the Dum Dum, the Odeon, the National Museum, the Dolls Museum, the National Stadium, the Bank of Baroda. Okay, so we use the before the names of hotels, cinemas, theatre, shops, museum, stadium, airport, banks, etc. Okay, when they do not begin with a proper name. So here you can see these are the names given. A specific name is given when the specific name of a hotel, stadium or whatever it is given. No, airport or bank. So we use the before it. We do not use the before the following because they begin with the proper names. Okay, see Ambedkar Stadium, Kaniksha Hotel, Indira Gandhi Airport, Curzon Road, okay, Grindlace Bank. When these are used with the proper names, here we are not using the article the here, okay. So here we use they do not begin with a proper name. So the Taj Palace, okay, these all it is not a proper name. So we are using the here. But when here it is proper names are given here, okay. So we are using what? We are not using the article the here, okay. Now let us move to the next page. Position of articles. Articles are put before nouns as in the following examples. We sat down on a chair. It is a chair. Chair is singular, okay, countable. So a chair. He sat at the desk with his back to the window. Okay, the is the article used here. My brother gave me an apple. Apple, a is vowel here. So we used an here, countable also. When a noun has an adjective or an adjective and an adverb before it, the articles are placed before them as in the examples. As I told you in my part 1 video about the articles a and an. When adjective is used, adverb combination is there also, we use articles a or an. So here you see, a second later the boys heard a wild cry. Okay, cry is noun, wild is what? Wild is an adjective. So we used here a wild cry. She did an impossible task. Okay, again noun, again this is an adjective. So an impossible, it is beginning with the vowel. So an impossible task. She is the only intelligent girl in the family. Okay, only is adverb, intelligent is adjective, girl is noun. So this is the combination of adverb and adjective. So before this also we use the article the. She is the only intelligent girl in the family. Okay, my dear students. So this is all about your the article the. A, N and the chapter has already we completed the chapter. Okay, in my next video we will see the next remaining part of the grammar portions. Just go through the chapter, read it, learn it, and try to remember the uses of a, n and the, so you can do the grammar portions. Okay, my dear, meet you in the next video. Bye. Thank you. God bless you.